underlined in yellow on Eclipse. Why is that? Well, it's nothing, dramatically wrong with your code. Everything will still run, unlike an error. If you have an error anywhere in your code, then it just won't run. But apart from that, these yellows, they're just warnings. They're just, you might not want to do this, I'll still let you, but, you might not want to. Things like, it's mostly just things to help you optimize your code. They're very helpful. So, first thing, we've got this underlined yellow. That import is not being used. We're going to remove that because we're not using the scanner, so we don't need to import it. Second thing is this age variable that we've got. We're not using it, but we're going to fix that soon. So, yeah. Let's march on. So I want to teach you guys about if. Alright? If age is equal to 5, then print out you are 5. Awesome. Print that. Awesome. Else system.out.println you are not 5 or 65. And there we go. We're still 5. Still 5. But if I change that to 7, then we are not 5. And hopefully you can see where that works. If then it has a condition in here, and then it wraps around, okay, in these curly braces. Whatever's inside the curly braces, what is run if this is true. And you can see these curly braces wrapping around, like the class here, the main method, the else, and if this is not true, otherwise, print that out. Alright? Or we can do this. Else if age equals 7, if I will copy paste this one, you are not 5, but you are 7. And I'll have this as well. So, it'll check for this. If we're not 5, oh no. If that's not true, but we are still 7, then do that. Otherwise, plop. But what if we had another variable? Int restriction. Okay, so what if we had a ride? The restriction was you had to be 10 years old. Okay, so let's get rid of this. The restriction was you had to be 10 years old or higher. Alright, so let's check that. If age is more than or equal to, so maths, simple maths, restriction, damn it. Alright, so if your age is more than or equal to the restriction, then... Oh, Christ. There we go. You are not allowed on this ride. Else... Oh, sorry, you are allowed. Else... You are not. Alright, so we're 7. Can we go on the ride? No. What if we're 11? Yes. Awesome. What if we wanted to check the mouse's position somewhere? So, let's say X is 1, and Y is 2. So, let's say our mouse is a... Let's say we want to check if the mouse comes across the coordinates 1 and 2. So, that's what we want to check, and this is the actual mouse coordinates. So, these two match up, right? But these two don't. Therefore, we should still return, false. So, what we're going to test here is if x equals x2 and y equals y2. Okay? The cursor is in the right spot. Are we in the right spot or the wrong spot? We're in the wrong spot, but what if we do that? Alright, well now we're in the right spot. You could also test OR. So we can change this back to the arrangement it was before. And it would say yes, because it's testing OR if, if one of them is true. X does not equal x2. Oh, okay, but y does equal y2. So therefore, we're just gonna, go with yes, that's fine. That's it for this tutorial. Hopefully you guys learned quite a bit and enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, guys.